What is choreography? We all know the triple threats of musical theater are singing, dancing, and acting. But we're going to focus on the second one right now when we talk about dancing. So most musicals have some concept of dance within them. They have choreography that helps tell the story of the show just as much as the songs and the acting. In its base form, it's a sequence of steps and movements in a dance around the space. It became apparent to directors that dance could move the story forward just as importantly as the other two mediums. Dancing and movement could do a lot to affect the mood, character, and emotion of the show. And it's not just necessarily dance movement in musicals that use choreography. Anytime you see most movement on stage, it's considered choreography. So if there is a stage fight, or if there is a ballroom dance scene, those, just because it's not the da 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 da, doesn't mean it's not choreography. They're all pieces of movement that are unified and created in a specific way to tell the story. So I hope that was helpful. If you're interested in other theater terminology, you can check out my playlist here. If you like theater tips and musical theater choreography, throw a like and a follow my way. I would love to have you as part of my community. And we'll see you for more theater terms soon. Bye.